This tutorial review will show you how to send multiple messages in WhatsApp in just one click. In order to send multiple messages in one click in WhatsApp, you have to download a software. So open your Play Store and type here AutoClicker, and you have to install this app on your mobile. Once it's installed, tap on open, and then you will get this multi-targets mode option here. So we have to enable multi-targets mode. So tap on enable, and then you will see this menu here. Now all you have to need is just open your WhatsApp and open the conversation, and now tap on this plus icon. Then you will get this circle. All you have to need, just put this circle on the word you want to type. For example, I want to send multiple hello to this conversation. So first of all, I'm going to putting the circle on age, and then I'm again clicking on this plus icon, and now I'm going to putting it on E, again tapping on plus and putting it on L, again tapping on plus and putting it on L, plus and putting it on O. So here's I selected hello. Now it's time to add another circle and put it on this send button or mic button, and then all you have to need, just tap on this play button to start sending multiple messages, as we can see. And to stop sending message, tap on this pause button, and this is how we can do it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe Tutorial River. See you in the next video.